Welcome back to my channel. This time, come with me as I take you across Dubai. We're going on a family holiday and we're going to show you the best what Dubai has to offer. Great food, great people and great culture. So if you like what you see, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Money girl.
Hey.
Okay, do you guys understand English? Everyone?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
Where's his bike though?
He's gonna get a bike.
Ree, how you doing, Ree?
I'm good.
Good?
Yeah, ready for this.
You ready?
Hello GoPro. I'm a bit nervous. I've never done this before, but I think I'll be fine.
You'll be fine. You'll be good.
Okay, I need your attention over here, please.
Hey Ree. Hey. How you doing, boo? I'm loving life right now. Loving life, guys. Hey, babes.
Hey, what's going on? Living our best life. Having a good time. Catching some sun rays. You know, I do not miss London right now.
We do not miss that cold. I hope you guys
1
are
degree
enjoying the
weather.
snow. Where are we, handsome?
So, out here. In Dubai, you know, having a great time. We're going for a little bit of a morning stroll. The sun's not quite out yet at the moment though, so we're kind of waiting for that to happen. But in the meantime, taking in the view, you know, it was a little 360 spin where we're at. So this is just a little warm up for today. Then later, we're gonna be on the yacht, and then we're gonna get something to eat, and yeah, we're gonna have a good time.
Yeah, and she charged us 20 million.
And then we're cussing, saying that she's selling out because of have you seen the videos about her? And there was some stuff going on last week.
Boom, alright, MTV Cribs, yeah, check. Now you lot, yeah, check out my yacht, yeah. So this is the room. Boom, double bed, yeah. We've got the premium bed sheets right here, you know what I mean? You got the firewood and all that, all polished and that, it's all looking fresh and shiny. You know, you got the toilets here, boom, looking all crisp. Then you got Ree coming in, you know what I mean? There's Ree, yeah, me bad girl Ree, you know what I mean?
Taya, you dressed Taya.
Show me the bathroom.
I need to eat. Where's the toilet?
Oh yeah, it's there.
Can I go in this one?
Yeah, you got the toilet right there, you got the suite and all that, you got the shower in there.
I need these bits because I did not vlog one thing.
You know, then you come up, then you got the little window and all that, you know what I mean? Then you got the TV, the little flat screen up on the wall, little DVD player, you know what I mean? The surround sound and all of that. Then, let me take you to the living room. And all that, you know, things, you know, I know a lot of media out here. then let me show you the garden. Show you the backyard. So, light.
Front to back, when we make good love, let's get to some more, all night long. And I want that whole thing back, make these moments once again back. If you really, really want it, all you gotta do.
Atlantis Water Park is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, water park in the whole world. There was so much to do here. It was literally impossible to do everything in one day. So I'd say we maybe done about 20 to 30% of the park, and we was there for basically the whole day. Like, you literally have to come back and do the rest on another day, maybe 2 or 3 days to do it. It's amazing. Is it this way?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
What's that? What is it, a rapid?
It's just like a waterfall.
Oh, it's where you jump off?
Bonnie wants to go on the baby ride.
No, I don't.
They do.
No.
Alright girls, how's the day been for you?
It has been fantastic. 10 out of 10.
Yeah?
Done out, I'm so tired.
You done out?
So tired.
What, one more ride, yeah?
No.
Oh man, gosh. Could do with a nap now.
Yeah.
Woo! Hey, when you go? How you doing? You right?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
Are you a little bit scared?
I don't know what to expect.
Yeah, same here. This might be a red ride, you know. The nightlife in Dubai has so much to do. We decided to start our evening at Buddha Bar. The ambience is really nice and calming. The food's really nice and they do really nice cocktails there too. We also had a booking to go watch the water fountain display by the Burj, but we was a bit late due to so much traffic. We underestimated how much traffic there was going to be. So we missed our slot to get on the boat, but we still managed to see the display from the side with everybody else. Can't come to Dubai without visiting the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, standing at 2,700 feet. It's a sight to see. It's amazing. The architecture that went into building this thing is absolutely incredible. Being up the top floor, like the observation deck is just, the views is just unreal. Like, you would
not be able to see anything like this. Luckily, the day that we went, the skies were clear, so everything would have been nice and quite nice view, but the daytime was just equally as beautiful. So yeah, definitely go check that out if you haven't.
Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your baby.
Thank you. Oh, it says happy birthday to you. Oh! It's still going, that's so funny.
What a trip. A great time was had in Dubai. Had so much fun. Loads of memories. Great food, people and company. So yeah, if you enjoyed what you watched, like, share and subscribe.